Bobcat is proud to present the latest generation BCH350 Airends, an advanced drop-in replacement for drills and portable compressors that use the HR 2.5 Airend. With improved design and the latest tech, they are widely compatible with existing equipment and made in the USA for superior dependability. For the latest generation of BCH350 Airends, our engineers have developed updates and new features. Maximum performance and durability is guaranteed thanks to the highest quality components and superior filtration. To enhance durability, a newly designed housing features internal oil tubes for better oil flow and bearing life. As well as improved durability, external oil tubes have been shortened and strengthened. Inside is where a lot of the magic happens. We've substantially upgraded several parts. A new, stronger housing design lowers vibration, prolonging Airend life and eliminating areas where water could pool and cause rust. Leaks are prevented with an improved shaft seal and strengthened shaft seal cover. And maintenance is simplified thanks to improved scavenge access, uniform bolt patterns, and internal oil piping. And now, let's take a closer look at the simplicity and power of the latest Airends in practice. The Bobcat BCH350 is designed as a drop-in replacement for Ingersoll Rand, Atlas Copco, and Epiroc drills, as well as Ingersoll Rand portable air compressors. They are a direct upgrade, which perfectly fits into your existing rig. Bobcat's BCH350 Airends are powerful, even in the harshest conditions, whatever the application. Proudly made at our Bobcat facility in North Carolina, the new Airends come with a standard 2-year or 4,000-hour warranty, which can be extended with the use of genuine Bobcat fluids and filters to 5 years or 10,000 hours. A dedicated after-sales support team with readily available parts means you'll never be at risk of extended downtime. Bobcat's latest BCH350 Airends, ready to power your job site today.